Welcome to another video on how to create Weverse account. I'm Akin from Create Login and Delete, and let's get started. So to create a Weverse account, first download the Weverse app. You can visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Weverse and download and install the app on your device. And next, open the Weverse app on your device after it's finished installing. And once the app opens up, choose your preferred language from the available options. Weverse supports multiple languages, so select the one you are most comfortable with. After that, on the app's main screen, you should see a sign up button. Tap on it to begin the registration process. You'll be then prompted to enter your email address, password, and other necessary details. Make sure to provide accurate information. After that process, read the Weverse terms and conditions, as well as the privacy policy. If you agree with the terms, tick the box indicating your consent. After providing the necessary information and agreeing to the terms, tap on the next button to complete your registration. You may also need to verify your email address. For that, Weverse will send a verification link to the email address that you provided during registration. So click your email inbox and click on the verification link to activate your Weverse account. Once your account is verified, you can personalize your Weverse profile, add a profile picture, write a short bio, and customize your preference to enhance your experience on the platform. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Weverse account. You can now explore various artist communities, interact with fellow fans, and enjoy exclusive content from your favorite artists. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if it did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.